Good afternoon. I was asked to do this video to show how to replace a screen on this Acer ES15. It's actually the ES1-531-P2B3. And so I especially want to do this. I've replaced several screens, and you usually have to take a lot of the stuff apart to get to them. I started to do that on this and realized pretty quickly that I didn't have to do that anymore. So I put the old screen back in. It actually has a break right here. Somebody grabbed it wrong and broke it. So we're going to put in the new screen. I put everything back together, except I did not snap the ring back in, because invariably when you unsnap them you break tabs here and there. I didn't want to break any more than had already been cracked. So realistically, you can have your computer sit in front of you. You just bend this back as far as you can so that when you snap all the things off, it'll come out through here. So when you take this off, you have 4 screws that you'll undo right here. And the first time I took this off, I'll just point this out now so I don't forget it. The first time I took this off, this magnet was sitting right here. So you'll need to take that magnet, pretty powerful, but get that magnet off and you stick it back in this little slot right here. It snaps back in, and that way when you put the computer back together, the magnet will be in the right place for opening and closing. So you take your 4 screws off here. Your screen can lay down like this. You have your connector right back here. You can lift your tape up to get the connector off, and the connector just pulls out like this. So set the broken one aside. New one oriented properly here, and then you can reconnect this connector. Just line it up carefully. A little difficult with that tape on there. Once you grab your fingers. Lay our tape back down. Now, put our 4 screws back in to make sure the cable is running in this little slot there. But get our screen realigned and put our 4 screws back in. Okay, we make sure our cable's back in the spot where it'll be out of the way when we snap our cover back on. And I like to test them before I snap the cover back on, just to make sure everything's working. go. So a good looking screen right there. We'll take off our protective film. Lay the screen back as far as you can so that you can get the hinge covers in through there. And then just carefully snap it back in. And there we go. So everything's working again. Screen looks good. We'll go ahead and shut these down here. But very simple and straightforward to do, and I'm no professional, as you could tell by the way I was working, but you see how long it took to swap this out. So if you have one of these Acer Aspire models and you end up with a broken screen, very easy to fix it. I got the screen from laptopscreens.com. I've ordered several from them in the past for different computers, different people, and it has always been I've never had a problem with the screen. I've used them for myself and for others. But they very nice screen, easy replacement. They get here quickly. So thank you for watching.